Holla peeps, it's your girl Schree, reporting live for SchreeTV. I'm cracking up because Martinez was like, she wanted him, but he didn't want to have anything to do with her. Great line. So, like that book, he's not so into you or whatever, it's great. He's doing a good job.
Undertakes to carry this out. It isn't like he requested it. It isn't like he did anything other than attempt to sort of appease this woman.
Jodi Arias trying to act all hard and look like she's just drawing and shit. She knows she's freaking out inside. She's gotta be.
Taking a ring that didn't belong to her, peeping in his window, doing all of those things that she did. Moving to Mesa after he broke up with her, or they broke up. Going into his computer, hitting the backspace button, breaking into his MySpace account, all of those things.
She was all up in his MySpace.
That her motivation for this was that she just wanted him. She came over, and what is one act of wanting an individual? Well, to demonstrate that you want an individual is you engage in sexual intercourse. And that's what she did on that particular day. She wanted him.
She wanted him bad.
Let him go. Even from Eureka, she couldn't let him go.
She wanted him more than the fat kid want cake. Okay.
Or he requested her to come there. Those are her words, and she kept saying them over and over like mantra. And so on that day, when she finally got there, she came ready to go. And by ready to go, I mean she brought over the weapon, and she spent some time with him. And then when he was in the shower, he was no match for her. And she took care of business. And you know how she took care of business. And because she took care of business, and because
she's shaking her head. Somebody need to pop her right in her head.
She slashed his throat, and because she shot him in the face, and because she premeditated it. You know,
Dumbo ears.
And this duty requires you to take into account the jury instructions, and these jury instructions are not something that you can disregard. They're mandatory. Apply them to the facts. And the facts, again, involve an individual who has lied consistently throughout.
Bert and Ernie and that chick, don't they look like peppers?
Whether or not the defendant committed first-degree murder.
Like a red pepper, and
circumstance like this, again, you can
if there were purple peppers, you know, peppers are good. I like them.
Times of their life. And there's a poet, John Donne, and again, it's just a reference to him. It's close to the quote, but...
Oh, bitch, don't try to look at the jury now. Now she's trying to look up. She didn't even acknowledge him the whole time that this was going on, you know?
Sort of situation.
Bitch.
You have to sit back.
Bitch, please.
You think about it, and you think about what is going on. And he wrote, every person's death diminishes. So therefore, send no one to find for whom the bell tolls. It tolls for thee.
Now he's quoting poetry.
And in this case,
everybody done lost their mind in this trial. Everybody. Okay, everybody's burned out.
And to the facts that were presented. And in doing so,
poetry. For whom the bell tolls. It's great. The bell tolls for Jodi Arias. That's for whom the bell tolls.
Decision that I want you to reach like them by saying that something's nonsensical and that sort of thing. We're making an argument just for its own sake. But because in this case,
okay,
Travis Victor Alexander was slaughtered by this woman.
And hey, it's the way for me to be. It's the way to be.
She stabbed him in the heart.
For me, anyway.
She shot him in the face.
I mean,
and all of that.
Because I take sleeping pills at night to go to sleep.
Thank you.
And baby's scared if I drink real beer, I could die.
Page 2 of your jury instructions.
I'm like, what's up? What's up? Give me some Coors Light. You know what I'm saying? Your girl likes beer, but you know, we don't want to take any chances. You know what I'm saying?
Instructions I gave you yesterday. In their opening statement,
God, I hope it's over.
The lawyers have talked to you about the law and the evidence.
Oh, that's
what
the judge.
What the lawyer said is not evidence, but it may help you to understand the law and the evidence.
This may be the judge's final admonition to the jury.
Testimony of witnesses and exhibits introduced in court. The law is the jury instructions your final jury instructions. Now please turn to page 20. The case is now submitted to you for decision. When you go to the jury room, you will choose a foreperson. He or she will preside over your deliberations. I suggest that you discuss and then set your deliberation schedule. You are in charge of your schedule and may set and vary it by agreement and with approval of the court. After you have decided on a schedule, please advise the bailiff. As jurors, you have a duty to discuss the case with one another and to deliberate in an effort to reach a just verdict.
Now she like this.
Decide the case for yourself, but only after you
Jody
consider
Arias,
the evidence
right?
impartially with your fellow jurors. During your deliberations,
Should have thought about that before you were stabbing the man and shooting him and slicing his throat and chasing him down and shit.
However, you should not
Slipping on the blood
concerning the weight or effect of the evidence solely because of the opinion of your fellow jurors or for the mere purpose of returning a verdict. You are to discuss the case and deliberate only when all jurors are in the jury room.
What? My love is awake. Oh, my baby. It's over, babe. She's giving the final instructions. My love, my fin. I gotta go kiss my baby.
After starting the schedule, I suggest that you next review the written jury instructions and verdict form. It may be helpful for you to discuss the instructions and verdict form to make sure that you understand them. Again, during your deliberations, you must follow the instructions and refer to them to answer any questions about applicable law, procedure, and definitions.
Look at her. She's like this now.
The jury as a whole have a question for me during your
like she knows this is real shit.
On any other matter,
okay, you took his life, and hopefully this jury will vote to take your life, bitch.
Must be communicated to me in writing and must be signed by you or the foreperson. I will consider your question or note and consult with counsel before answering it in writing.
See, now she look.
I will answer it as quickly as possible. Remember that you are not to tell anyone, including me, how you stand numerically or otherwise until after you have reached a verdict or have been discharged.
Oh, I hope they come back. Would it be great if they came back with a verdict today?
Any information
what if it only takes them like 20 minutes?
About this case. You may not
that could happen.
Electronic device or media such as a telephone, cell phone, smartphone, iPhone, BlackBerry, or computer, the internet, any internet service, or any text or instant messaging service, or any internet chat room, blog, or website such as Facebook.